play when they want to. Wow, that's my doggone band. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. All right. We're gonna take a breather, and this next piece is what we call like a tone poem. We teach in class that our music, as we play, should tell some type of a story or create some type of a mood. With Sleigh Ride, we talk about playing short and light and playful. This is a much more lyrical poem type piece based on the Way in the Manger. You'll recognize that tune. Features several sections of the band, and we'll change the pace over here. Enjoy a Christmas hymn. Wow, again. Well, how much, it's fun. I mean, echo the words of Miss Wiles. It is so much fun to play good music. I told the kids the other day, one of the joys I spent 20 years, over 20 years directing middle school, and I always wanted to conduct a high school band, high school concert band, so we could play some upper level literature, and this has just been fun. Can you give it up for these guys again? We're gonna close our portion of the program tonight with a fun piece of music. My first chair flute would not describe it as fun. She described it as something else in class. Miss Pat, I'll tell you in private later. But this piece has a lot of notes in it, and I think we can play most of them. And it's fun to play. This is called, you're going to hear a lot of Christmas tunes in here. We're going to close our portion of the program with Herald the Holidays. It's 8:10. Can y'all stand one more? Can y'all stand one more? Can y'all handle one more? Get near your sections. Come on, ninth grade. Get near your sections. We didn't practice. We didn't play this in a couple of weeks. Oh my goodness. Let's see how this is gonna work. I don't know. Kids will tell you I'm always improv. You know, they don't. We make up. So stand up. Stand up. Where's the drum line? Drum line, let's go. Come on out. Drum line. Come on. Come on. Here we go. All right. Ooh, I'm glad that's over. I'm almost in the Christmas spirit. Almost. Might be some other kind of spirit. I don't know. All right. All right. How about it for the Blue Devil Brigade on stage right now? Huh? This sequel, we just can't get enough marching band. We just, bring it on the concert stage as well. All right. All right. Is my drum line ready? All right. All right. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of people on this little stage. Okay. Come on. Come on. Y'all slide down so I'm going to give yourself some horn up. Give yourself some horn up. All right. They don't have enough on this too.